Today I'm bringing you the simplest chicken recipe, and I assure you it turns out super juicy and full of flavor. You have to try it, you're gonna love it. First ingredient, of course, chicken. About 3 to 4 pounds of chicken pieces, in my case thighs and drumsticks. Does anyone know what this is? Well, it's a gadget my brother has that's used to grate garlic. There you go. What do you think? You rub a clove of garlic on this super ethnic little dish, which is what we need. And look, it turns out amazing, grated, almost like a paste. We pour it here into a bowl where we're going to prepare a mixture. We add lemon, we'll need one. And first, we go with the zest straight in. All right, with a tablespoon of mustard, we have enough. Regular mustard like the kind you use for hot dogs, no need to complicate things. Let's squeeze the lemon and get the juice out, or as they call it in many countries, zumo or jugo. I know that's what they call it in your country. In many places it's called jugo, and in many others, zumo. We also add salt to taste. I like a little more, and my brother likes a little less. We'll add black pepper. We'll add it freshly ground because the one from the jar is no good. Always freshly ground. And a touch of thyme, just a pinch to give it some punch. We mix it well. Really well. Just a matter of 20 seconds. And then we're going to get our hands dirty. You can do it with your hands, or use spoons if you want to be fancy. Or with some gloves like the ones my buddy has over here. They work just as well for putting in highlights as they do for mixing the chicken. Or, well, now that I think about it, they actually look more like the ones you use to give an injection. Alright, let's add some olive oil, a good splash, and give it another stir. And why did I add it later? Well, because I forgot to do it earlier. No problem. The order doesn't matter. Let's move to an oven-safe dish. We place the chicken in, and now for a special touch. We grab a few lemon slices. There it is. And we're going to place them one on top of each piece of chicken. Is it going to look good? No, it's not going to look pretty, but it will be moist and juicier. And for that, we add a splash of water. We preheat the oven and bake for 90 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Take the opportunity to baste the chicken with its own juices, and if any piece of lemon has slipped off, put it back on top. That way it will be juicier, more flavorful, and it won't take you any time at all. Come on, there it is. We close it. And we're done cooking. See how easy it is? After the time has passed, it's ready to take to the table. Wait for it to cool down a bit. Don't burn your hands. And if you want it a little more golden, don't overthink it. Just put it back in the oven, man. 5 more minutes. With the broiler on. Lemon chicken with a touch of mustard. The easiest recipe you'll ever come across. And it always turns out great. Raise. Who can top this? You have to make it. You're gonna love it. Guaranteed.